My name is Zach Boxrud from Tierney Brothers. Thanks for joining us today. As you can see from this chart, we've got a good, better, best option from Smart. We're going to be talking later on about the MX series. There's a 6000 series as well. Today we're going to focus on the 7000 series panel, which has the most premium features available to schools. First thing you're going to notice is that we actually have all four of the color pens. So a few of the first generations of Smart panels that you've maybe seen only have two pens available on the panels themselves. Some feedback that was received from some of the teachers is that from the old style Smart boards that had the four pens located available for the students, you're going to see those options here on the 7000 series. So we've got our black, red, green, and blue pens, and they also brought back the traditional eraser. Teachers love the eraser when they're using the panel. Students love the eraser as well. It's a very obvious thing to pick up, erase the content that they're writing on the board. So you'll also notice right here that when I use this pen and I write on the screen, I'm going to be able to use a number of different erasers. So not only do I have the eraser that comes with the panel, I can also use my fist as an eraser as well. And then each of the pens actually has an eraser on the back side of the pens for finite micro erasing with a smaller eraser. So one of the things that allows the 7000 series to stand out from the other options is the HyperTouch in-glass technology. So when you're using the board itself, you're going to notice just a very smooth feel, a very fast reaction to what I'm doing on the screen. There's a very quick time frame with the pen reaction when I'm using this technology. So the system reacts very well. You're not going to have heat burn or friction. It's a very low friction surface on the screen itself. So the 7000 series definitely stands out with how easy it is to use and the very quick reaction speed that you get out of any type of annotation from a pen, from your eraser. It reacts to what you touch the board with very quickly. So another benefit of the 7000 series is actually that it has a small, thinner bezel. So you'll notice a sleeker design with the 7000 series. You also have a convenience panel located on the right side of the board over here. So the convenience panel makes it very easy for students or additional laptops to come in and connect to the convenience panel right on the front surface of the board, and that is a very easy thing to do. The convenience panel also gives me the ability to freeze the screen. So there's a little pause button right here, and that will freeze the screen, blocking anything that the students are seeing on the screen. Teacher can then go ahead, check email. There might be sensitive data that they want to pull up. They're going to be able to do that on their laptop without actually the students seeing what's on the screen. That's a very simple little pause button. We hit it again, we're back up and running. I also have volume adjustment for the volume that's coming out of the rear firing speakers, as well as our sleep button to put the panel to sleep very, very quickly. Panel goes to sleep. I don't have to wait several seconds to turn the system back on. I can touch it and it's instantly back on. So the 7000 series comes with the IQ software from Smart Technology. So the IQ software actually resides on an IQ embedded module on the back side of the Smart panel. So that computer actually slides into the side of the panel during the installation process, and it provides me with a number of different tools built into the panel that I don't even have to connect my laptop for. So right now I'm operating the 7000 series without connecting a laptop at all, and I have access to a number of different programs. You can see some of my recent files that I've been using, some of the recent websites that I visited, and then also I have access to the web browser to go back to this screen right here. I've got different tabs as I'm normally used to using on my laptop browser. And I have easy access to go right back to the home screen and navigate to a different application or file that I have created. You'll also notice that there's a player right here. Some of you may recognize that symbol. That's the notebook symbol. So notebook player is an option for teachers to actually use their notebook files, their PDF documents, their PowerPoints can all be located on the panel itself and played from the panel. The notebook player also has access to your Google Drive, allows you to play content, Google Drive slides, other PDF documents right from the panel, and you'll be able to access that content right from this screen right here when you sync your Google Drive to the board. Syncing your Google Drive from the board is done through this little this new sign-in app. You sign in with your Google account right here, and you're going to have access to your Google Drive right from the panel, as well as any of the content for Smart Notebook content that you have created and saved to your cloud Smart Learning Suite online account. Smart also allows you, with their IQ software, to use the screen sharing technology. So you can wirelessly cast from an iOS device, Mac device, Windows device, or Chrome device. So that technology is built into the software and allows you to wirelessly cast without loading any apps on your phones or devices. It's a very easy process to use. One of the major benefits of the 7000 series is the tool differentiation. So we have the 4 pens, as we mentioned, on the screen, on the board, available for us to use. When one student is writing on the screen, another student might be writing on the board as well. I'm not altering what that student is doing. I can erase. If I want to change tools over here back to my black pen, it doesn't change or alter what that student is doing on the screen. So I can actually make those annotations without altering what the other user on the screen is doing. All right, again, I'm Zach Boxford from Tierney Brothers. Thanks for watching this video today. Please reach out to your account executive if you want more information on the 7000 series or any of the other offerings from Smart Technologies.